questions that you want to know and you want answers to. Our goal as an entrepreneur, especially as an e-commerce entrepreneur, is to make more money from your existing customer. And if you can actually make more money from your existing customer that are buying from you, you are gonna have a higher average order value, banking in more profits, and giving you the opportunity to actually afford more advertising. Now, we've talked about upsells in the previous videos, but in this video, I wanna talk about quantities. So reflect the last time that you walked into a shoe store. When you go in, you will oftentimes see buy one, get one, 50% off. And when that happens, these shoe companies are basically trying to actually sell you more of the same thing, but having you spend more. Now, we all know that their cost is actually pretty low when they are selling shoes. But when they actually say, hey, when you buy 2 items, the second item actually gets 50% off, they're actually pushing for quantities. And as an e-commerce entrepreneur, you also want to apply this for your e-commerce business. Listen, a lot of consumers, they don't just go in the mindset of buying just one item. When they are actually being offered a discount, a deal on buying multiple of the same item, they would actually take advantage of it because they will feel they are going to actually miss out, which we call FOMO, fear of missing out. And when they are already about to transact with you and buy your product and they see that, hey, if I buy another one, I get X amount off, or if I buy 3 or more, I get even more off. And you actually want to apply this for your e-commerce business, and it is called quantity discount. So what you wanted to do, let's say that you're trying to actually sell a piece of watch for $10. Now what you can do is when the person actually goes to your store, you can say, hey, if you buy 2 or more, you get an additional 10% off. Or when you buy 3 or more, you get 15% off. And you start to create this tier to really enforce and have your customers buy more than one from you. So essentially, they may actually just come and buy $10 goods. Now they may actually turn on into buying $20 or $30 or $40 because you are offering them a quantity discount. So this is one strategy that you can actually apply for your e-commerce business to actually make more money without spending more on ads. And this is what we have to think about as an e-commerce entrepreneur, is how can we make more money from our customers without spending more on advertising, because these are going to be pure profit margin that goes straight into your pocket. So take a look at your store. Do you have anything that you can actually offer some quantity discount? If you can, do that. And this is how Costco actually have so much membership, is because people are buying in bulk quantity at a lower price, and that makes Costco such a successful company. So remember, next time when you are running your e-commerce business or when you're setting up a product, are you able to offer a quantity discount? If you can, you will actually make a lot more than just selling single units.